Two natural numbers are said to be co-primes if their common divisor is 1. For example, 7, 9 and 15, 16, it is 7 by 9, 7 by 1, 9 by 1. Here 7 and have 7 and 9 a common number 1. 7 and 9 divisible by 1, common number 1. Okay, co-primes may be or may not be primes. Every pair of consecutive numbers is co-primes. Every pair of consecutive numbers is co-primes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Example. Okay.